What is up to my beautiful TL King and Queens? Welcome back to a new video. So, today's video, y'all can already tell, I'm going to be doing a little apartment tour for you guys. I thought about doing this for a cool minute, but I had to like deep clean my apartment just a little bit. And you know how you get knocked a little depressed stage. Your apartment get like, wasn't dirty, but it wasn't what I used to my apartment being. So I did like a whole deep, not like a really deep clean, but I cleaned my whole apartment on days I was off from work. So y'all, I'm just gonna show you my little apartment. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any other video that I should do for you guys. And yeah, let's get right on with this video. Okay, so obviously we're gonna do the living room first. So just say you happen to walk in, there's my front door. And then yeah, so as soon as you walk in my door, boom, 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 I have my curtains, you know what I'm saying, yada, yada, yada. And then come in, I have my futon, my 2 pillows. I got these on Amazon, my remote, and then I got these 2, that light and that light. I got those from Amazon. I always wanted like those little big lights that sit on the side of your little couch. So yeah, I got those. And then over here we have my speaker, and then we have my TV. That stand was actually in my room, and the one in my room was supposed to be for my TV, but it didn't fit. It was too big for me, which is crazy, but the stand in there, this part is smaller than this one, so it wouldn't fit on that one, so I have to switch TV shelves. But yeah, so I got that. And then I usually have that right there. That is my sister's table where she eats it. I usually have that sitting up right there, but I vacuumed yesterday, so yeah, that's why that's right there. But no, yeah, that's just a fold out little like table place she can sit at and eat. So then you keep walking just a little bit, not too much further at all. So, and then we have my we got my kitchen over here. You know, we got the dishes, stove, basically regular things. Then I'm gonna take y'all over here into the kitchen a little bit more. This is where we have my air fryer, and then my pot and my pan rack, because they don't fit over there. So I had to order me a pot and pan rack for my rest of my pots and pans and my air fryer can fit. So then oh my god, pimple anyway. So then boom, this is the rest of the little part of the kitchen. I have my exercising machine, which I need to put that up. That actually folds up. I can put that into the closet. I just haven't folded up yet. But that's that. And then those, my bad, those right there, they went to my mirrors. That's for my room, but I kept them because I want to do something with them. I just don't know what I want to do with them yet. But if I can figure out what to do with them, because I seen this girl, she did like, it wasn't with that, but it was with a poster board, and she put like flowers around it. So I feel like that's what I want to do, but I don't know yet. So anyway, boom, you walk. Oh, I don't know if I didn't show y'all. This little thing right there is my little scented butterfly and flower thing. Y'all, it melts the little scents. But anyway, yeah. So and then boom, we got a little hall light. So then we come my bathroom. So boom, this is my bathroom. Nothing out the ordinary, just a regular bathroom. I usually always keep my shower curtain closed, y'all. I don't know why. Do y'all do that? I know I'm not the only one that does it, but I like my shower curtain closed. Okay, now it just wants to be a butthole and not let me go. You know what? Anywho, but yeah, I usually keep that closed. Like I said, regular bathroom. And then I got my little blue little, you know what I'm saying? And then my mom got me these things right here. It's a toothbrush sensor, and then I have my hand soap dispenser. But only works when I cut the light off, so. And then you see how they light up. So I got that. She got that for me for Christmas. And then the last but not, and then this is regular cloths, y'all. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all everything. That's just an extra cover, and then vacuum, and then like a little steam cleaner, but it doesn't work. So that's why it's in there. And then we come to my lovely bedroom. My door has nothing on it but this beware sign that I cannot get off, that I stuck on there 2 Halloweens ago, and it's still stuck. So, like I said, nothing on my door. Anyway, so boom, you walk in my bedroom, and I can see, if y'all watch my, I think it was my nighttime routine, I believe. You already see my bedroom. But anyway, like I said, this is it. I literally just woke up. I ain't gonna say I lose trouble. I've been up like an hour, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I've been laying in bed. So this is my beautiful bed. Got my little mirrors on the wall, period. And then I got these dark, do you call these dark magic mirrors? I thought that would just be really cute to put above my bed. And then boom, TV. Like I said, this is a TV stand that's supposed to go to the TV in my living room, but it doesn't fit. So y'all don't really keep nothing. Oh, I'm sorry, but yeah, I don't really keep nothing on my my TV stand. I got a few lighters. I got my Febreze, you know, stuff you spray on your pillows and stuff. And then I got my 2 candles over here. This candle right there smells so bomb, y'all. And I can't remember the name. What is it called? Oh, it's called Coconut Sands, y'all. It smells so good, y'all. So good. And then I got regular curtains. And then I got my fan, because you know summertime finna get here. It's gonna be hot, even though I've been having it out summer anyway. And then boom, we go right here. I'm debating should I turn my light on, because I feel like my light is gonna mess it up. Whatever. But yeah, so then I got my little stand, which I'm gonna have to take that stand down, y'all, because I've been having it ever since I moved in. But now these are starting to get loose, so I can't put nothing heavy. Cause I used to have that literally all the shelves packed, and I think this is what happened. I had some stuff in there that was too heavy. And yeah, so yeah, it's not really nothing on them anymore. So then boom, we got the closet. Nothing really in my closet, not in this one, to be honest. I got stuff up there. This is for my sister's birthday. And then I got a couple books. Can y'all see those? Oh, can y'all see those? My books. Your girl do read. I got a couple books over there. My little hamper. That was in that other closet with my clothes, but it doesn't go. I was gonna set it on top of the dresser, but it just looks ugly like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get it to my mama. But yeah, and then down here, I can't even see that, but yeah, down here we got clothes that I'm going to give to my sister or take to the Goodwill because they're too big. I just ordered those, y'all, and I can't fit them. So yeah, I'm not gonna waste my time, press my time on it. Just want to give them away. And then boom, we open up the closet. You know what I'm saying? We got a towel hanging there because I do not like my towels. And y'all, this right here about to just irk me. I don't know why, cause my face already broke out everywhere. But anyway, I don't like hanging my towels up in my bathroom. I just don't. So yeah, let me show y'all my lovely closet. And what I need to get y'all is one of those little lights you stick in your closet, like a little center light. I need to get one of those. But yeah, anyway, you come in, you don't really come in, but boom, a little dresser thing. I got this on Amazon. You know, I got all my clothes in it. And then we got a smaller one over here. Not really. This is just really stuff I just throw in there. And then these other two is clothes. And then this bag right here, that's my sister's clothes, y'all. Because she be coming up here and she be leaving stuff and I just be washing it. Or I take her, or when I take a shower, I just, you know. And then that's just some of my shoes right here. And then my little purses, y'all. Even though I don't even wear purses, really. But we got a few of my little purses sitting up there. You know, I'm trying to be a woman. But no. So that is literally it. I said I don't really have a lot of stuff here, but I got enough stuff to live. You know what I'm saying? Like a little home to me. But yeah, that is mainly all of my little house that I gotta show y'all. I don't think I'm missing to show y'all nothing. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all like my little apartment tour, house tour, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, and by the way, my bed. This did not come like this. These little thing diamonds, those did not come like that. I actually hot glued those on there. They just came like a regular gray headboard, and that was just not giving boss moves at all. So I went to Walmart and I found those little diamonds, and then I hot glued them to my bed. So yeah, that did not come like that. Oh, and then I forgot to show y'all, because I don't even pay this no mind no more. These are supposed to be light up stickers, y'all. I got these from the Dollar Tree. My little sister wanted me to get these so bad. She thought they light up in the dark. That's what they did. I was gonna take my little dollar. But yeah, she wanted me to stick them up there so bad. So I just stuck them up there. But yeah, that's about it for this little tour. I guess I don't think I'm missing anything. But yeah, comment down below if you like my little apartment tour and whatnot. Also comment down below any other video I should do for you guys. And yeah, give it a big thumbs up like I always say. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.